the truth.
And what is up guys, Nitros here, and today we're at Toycon 2018. Or it's just like a Comic Con but in the Philippines. So, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Peace out. Alright guys, got my first buy for Toycon 2018, as you can tell. Got the sweet new jacket, it's Arno from Assassin's Creed. And I agree that I look pretty cool. Since we're at Toycon 2018, why don't we try finding some of those cool toys?
Hi, I'm Glenn. I'm from the Saber Sentry, and we sell dual grade combat lightsabers. So if you guys are interested in getting a saber that's not just a display piece, but also something that you could play around with, practice with, and have fun with, these are the sabers for you. Please visit us at facebook.com/thesabersentry and we'll find you the perfect saber for your needs and your budget. Thank you so much.
I seriously am starstruck right now, like I cannot contain myself. Somewhere, he's right there. That's Rick Grimes from The Walking Dead. Like no joke, starstruck. This is Rick Grimes from The Walking Dead.
How you doing?
So do you have anything to say for your fans here in the Philippines?
Oh man, it's the first time to be out here in Manila. This is a wonderful group of Walking Dead fans, and I can't wait to come back. But if you're in town, come out and see us. Toycon all weekend long. Hey, don't get bit.
You're my favorite character. Well, you're my favorite character aside from Darren.
Rick.
Team Rick.
Team Rick.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Second official buy of Toycon 2018, a prop katana. So, I think I'll just be able to find a few cosplayers and slice and dice. Well guys, it's been a long day and there's not really much events in the first day, but I enjoyed it either way. I met Rick Grimes and I played along with a few cosplayers and I got my own from Katana. So that's pretty much a win in my book. Anyway guys, I've been Nitros. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you later.